Gold Coast is a city near the sea, where there are abundant wind and solar energy resources, but these resources have not been well utilized in the power supply in the Gold Coast. We will study this and connect it with biophilic design so as to design an environment-friendly, energy-saving, and nature-connected biophilic environment. The theme of biophilic design promotes a combination of sustainable design and interior environment protection design, and provides people with a good living environment and a healthy living atmosphere. When people talk about field biophilic design, one can't help but associate with sustainability. Biophilic design argued that humans need to be deeply and fundamentally in touch with nature. This means designing the place where we live, learn, and work in a way that doesn't dissociate us from our nature environment. Meanwhile, sustainable design can be associated with quantifiable aspects. For instance, minimizing carbon footprint, reducing the consumption of fossil fuel, and look for measures for sustainable resource of energy. While sustainable design are effective in minimizing environmental effects, it has only done so much in getting us closer to nature. The application of plants and other materials that can promote environmental sustainability in interior and exterior design can greatly improve the aesthetic and make the building stand out from the almost same building. We explored two cases of biophilic design, include interior and architecture. The first case is Lighthouse. The designer combines the biological design of the interior to create a variety of sensor experiences, creating an indoor environment where someone can resonate with nature, playing a low carbon, green, and healthy role. The second case is Milan Forest Building. The designer makes the exterior of the interior apartment by increasing the planting area of green plants in the apartment. This design brings fresh air to the residents and shades the sun, a typical example of biophilic design. After group discussion about the biophilic design and the sustainable environment, we are going to design apartment. The client is an elder couple, Tom and Mary. They are just moved to Gold Coast from Brisbane. The apartment will have a natural interior, includes material and decoration. By project within a project, group members will put their own opinions of biophilics to the apartment design.
Hi everyone, I'm Joyo. In the theme of biophilic apartment design, my personal project is to design bedrooms and toilets. The direction is to study the use of natural materials indoors and the reuse of waste. With reference to the design of the lighthouse house, the use of natural materials in the interior and the design elements of recycling are worth learning. Through the exploration of biophilic design, I will build a vertical greening on the wall in the bedroom and improve the indoor air environment through green plants. In the toilet, I will design a wastewater recycling system and equipment, which is mainly used to collect rainwater and kitchen wastewater. After flattening, it will be used for irrigation of indoor green plants and flushing of toilets.
Hi everyone, I am Alex. I study the sensory experience of biophilic design for the residents and the recycling of biophilic design. I was taking the living room and the balcony. In the living room, I chose the pine as a material of the floors and walls. A subtle palette of soft browns, earthy green, and nature beige might be one road, while sunshine yellow and the sky blues will be another. In terms of lighting, nature lighting needs to follow the natural circadian rhythms of the household. I designed a ridiculous skyline to ensure plenty natural light. For the artificial light, I use blue-white lighting system at the noon and the warm-tone lights such as amber in the morning and evening. There's many electronic applications in the living room, so I didn't use any plants in the living room. There's a piece of artificial turf carpet under the tea table and the sofa, which can bring a little green feeling to the living room, and its texture can give people experience of biophilic with touch. For the balcony, I designed a small pond, which can use for raising the fish or landscape. Beside the pond is a flower bed, which can be planted with flowers and pot plants. The rainwater reserve and filtration system above the side of the balcony will prove water for the fish pond and the flower bed. An outdoor solar panel can power this area.
Hi everyone, I'm Harry, and my project is focused on storage space and study room. These two places are become more important in a home, but is often overlooked when humans designing their home. First of all, study room is a place for reading, writing, and research. The layout should create a clean, elegant, and simple environment. Also, incorporating nature in the space, for example, visual connection, such as plants, trees, natural lighting, good air circulation, and the material is using texture of timber. On the other hand, storage space is the less attention in the home. It fits all the living stuff to keep homes clean. It will be much easier to incorporate biophilic design into it. This sketch is showing a storage area. It is not just a storage room, it can become a child play space for our clients. Our client is the elderly, so they will have more chances to play with their grandchild and don't waste a area in the apartment. Also, windows for storage area can increase air circulation. Biophilic design not just provide a good vision, it also benefits better quality of life for my clients and grandchild. Create a space that will mature well and a place the whole family can enjoy.
Hi, I'm Yuxuan, the leader of this group. Based off the idea biophilic apartment, I'm going to design the kitchen. The direction is to create an immersive design by applying the translucence and the color of materials. The object set can be associated with nature. I'm referring to the design precedents of open-air balconies, open-air kitchen, and the Starbucks. The open design and the surrounding nature elements are worthy of the reference. I have explored the biophilic materials, visual connection with nature to create a more bio-friendly experience for its users. The room has seemingly variably good daylight, emphasis on growing vegetables indoors. Considering the circle connection between the kitchen and the food, it will using toilet compost for irrigation. The vegetables grow in the wall in the kitchen include unique to each season and available through the whole year. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.